Hey friends, let's walk through a critical cybersecurity lab together, detecting insecure FTP traffic using Wireshark. Our goal is to uncover whether anyone on our network is still using the old, Insecure File Transfer Protocol, or FTP. If you're wondering why this matters, it's because FTP is fundamentally insecure. Everything is transmitted in plain text, making it extremely vulnerable. This means usernames, passwords, and even the names of files being transferred are sent completely unencrypted, making them easy targets for interception. Let's dive into the practical steps, starting with step 1, setting up Wireshark to capture network packets. First, open Wireshark and select the correct network interface, which is typically labeled as ENP20 in this lab setup. Next, click the blue fin icon to start capturing. Let the capture run for about 5 seconds. That's usually enough time to gather some network traffic data. Once you have enough traffic, hit the red square icon to stop the capture, then maximize your window to clearly view all the recorded packets. Step 2 involves reducing the noise. We need to apply a filter to focus only on the FTP conversations. In the Wireshark filter bar, simply type FTP and press Enter. This tells Wireshark to discard all other protocols and show you only FTP-related packets. This filter is extremely helpful as it cuts out all the other network noise, leaving you with just the traffic you care about for this investigation. Moving to step 3, we'll zoom in further using specific, precise filters to extract the exact data we need without scrolling endlessly. To see the username used for login, we use the filter FTP request.command == user. To reveal the password, you can use the filter FTP request.command == pass. Remember, this traffic is in plain text, making this filter very revealing. And finally, to identify which file was downloaded, apply the filter FTP request.command == RETR. Now that we have the specific data, let's move to step 4 and analyze the findings to answer the lab questions. From the captured traffic, we clearly see the exposed credentials. The username is guest, and the password is fr332@ll. We also successfully noted the file being downloaded, which in this case was salescontacts.txt, confirming a sensitive data leak. The IP address making this insecure FTP request was identified as 192.168.0.50, easily traceable through the capture. The findings are quite stark, which brings us to the conclusion: understanding the importance of secure alternatives. The big takeaway here is undeniable. FTP is not secure. Everything, credentials, files, and commands, is fully visible in plain text. This is why companies must push for secure alternatives like SFTP, which uses SSH encryption, or FTPS, which relies on SSL/TLS to safeguard data.